So now I will demonstrate the COD parcel delivery. The first step is to configure the parcel delivery and the master passcode. So go to the smartphone application, then set passcode. So we will set both master passcode for the parcel compartment dot for the payment compartment dot. And next is to configure the parcel delivery. Press configure, press cash on delivery, enter the parcel delivery name, then enter the tracking number. The tracking number can be found in the e-commerce application. So here I'm using Shopee. So if it's the order, or press this, shipping information, copy the tracking number, then paste the tracking number. Then next is the courier passcode, the last 5 digits of the tracking number. Now the parcel delivery is configured. The next step is to put the cash payment in advance. So the passcode for the payment compartment is 67890. Access 7890. Open the payment compartment, then put the payment. Then, to lock the door, press asterisk or number sign. Okay, so now the payment is put. Now the PDB is ready and is now waiting for the courier. So the next step is for the courier. So once the courier arrives, the courier needs to put the last 5 digits of the tracking number. So the courier will read this instruction here. Enter the last 5 characters of the tracking number. So the last 5 characters is 23805. Passcode correct. Place the parcel. Close the door. So the parcel is verified. Saying here to get cash payment and to close the door. So this is the payment compartment. So collect the payment. Then press asterisk or number sign to release door lock. So this will lock the payment compartment. So now the parcel is delivered and the payment is collected by the courier. So the next step is for the user to collect the parcel. So the parcel compartment passcode that I said earlier is 12345. So that is what I will use. So shall unlock or collect the. Then to lock the parcel compartment, press asterisk or number sign. Close the door. So now the user has to retrieve the parcel. And the very last step is to mark the delivery as complete by the smartphone application. So as the courier put the parcel, a notification is sent to the smartphone. So the last step is to mark the delivery as complete. So this will reset the parcel delivery configuration. So now it's 0 again. Thank you for listening.